Convertible vacuuming mopping. DEEBOT 661 has an interchangeable dustbin for vacuuming and water tank for mopping. Swap between the two to tackle all your floor cleaning needs. Optimized navigation. DEEBOT 661 systematically navigates on hard floors for the perfect mopping. Up to 110-minute runtime. A longer battery life for even more cleaning. Auto return charging means your robot will always be ready to clean. Max mode power. Increase suction power by up to 2x for particularly troublesome messes. Basic features. Includes anti-drop anti-collision sensors, auto-return charging, automatic software update, durable protective bumpers, high-efficiency filter, anti-scratch finish, a large easy-to-empty dustbin, large wheels for climbing thresholds, etc. Top reviews from the United States. A new member our home. If you're looking for a smart floor cleaning machine that has a long battery life, a cute-looking and decent vacuum capability, this is it. Every morning or evening, you can just leave it on for a while. This hard-working robot can get the job done without you notice much. I like the fact that the robot can find its way back to the charging bay without any assistance, and there are 2 more modes you can select, focus cleaning and edge cleaning. As long as you can move some random stuffs out of the way before the cleaning starts, the robot is pretty good at what it's doing. The model that we purchased also has the advanced mopping function, and it is convenient too. I like this product and think it has great potential to reach out to even more families. Thank you.